Damn, he hit this man from behind on the dick. Yo, where the fuck is Owl Engineer? Oh, low blows is a no-go? Nah, yo, Owl Engineer. Owl Engineer. Owl, where the fuck your ass at? My man hit him with the low blow, bro. The no honor shot. Yo, there was no honor. Once my man spit on him, once my man threw a cigarette, and my man said, "Two." My man said, "Two." There was no loyalty there, bro. My man said, let me hit that dick real quick. Bink. Ah. Yo, hit him in the whole dick shot. You sure are a nice guy. When I fight, okay, when I fight, guys, I only aim for the crotch. This man said, fuck honor. When I fight guys, I only punch the dick. He's me. He's literally me that day. When I fight guys, I only punch the dick. I aim for the crotch, bruh.
Guess it's time you better plug in all your nightlights. What's up there?